Namaste everyone, this is your Noble Srinivasan from Natural Yogis. Today, let me show you what type of warm-up in Natural Yogis we perform. Let's see.